Hello, teacher. My name is Liliana Patricia Beltrán Mercado. And these are 15 sentences grading an IPA. Number 1. I read a book every night. 2. The boy puts his toys in the box. 3. She hits his cell phone. 4. He throws the mugs of coffee. They go to bed early. 6. The breakfast is hot. 7. He always walks the dog at night. 8. The girl plays with her friends. 9. We think about winning tomorrow's exam. 10. My family and I went to the zoo yesterday. 11. They are cooking some delicious cakes now. 12. He has a good shot. 30. My family and I went for a ride yesterday. 40. My dad's car is yellow. 15. The man drinks water. Thank you, teacher.